This is going to be a quick video on how I apply my false lashes. It's super quick and easy, and I don't use a lot of tools. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. So the first thing you want to do is, either if you need to curl your lashes, curl them and then apply your mascara. And I like to just lightly go over my lashes. And then a little trick that I do is curl upwards, so this just gets every lash. I do have naturally curly lashes, so this allows the product to get into every lash there is. What I'm talking about is I just go in and kind of twist the mascara like that. So that's what I do. I've been doing that for years and it's just worked for me because my lashes are curly. Now what you're going to do is size your lash. So what I mean by that is make sure that they're not too long for the length of your eye or the width of your eye, because if they are, no matter how many times you try to glue them, they're going to stick in the inner corner of your eye, and that's not fun. So once you've cut them, the edges, I always like to just cut from the inner corner of the lash because that's the shortest point, and you're not going to cut the actual hair. So you're going to actually cut the plastic that's kind of sticking on the band right on the edge, if that makes sense. Using the Duo lash glue. It's in the clear or white clear, and I'm going to apply a small amount of glue, and I'm doing it right on the edge and then spreading the rest towards the outer portion. The reason why I do that is because if there is too much glue, it won't stick, especially with Duo. When you're using Duo, it's kind of, it takes a while to kind of get tacky. So I'm going to just let this kind of dry just a little bit so that it's really easy when you do go in to apply your lash. Now, like I said, I'm not using any tools, and I know there are a lot of tutorials that do, but I find that this is really simple and really easy to do by just applying it with your fingers. I know it's scary, but so I'm going to start off by pinching right in the center of the lash, and then I'm just going to directly apply that. I'm going to try to get as close as possible to the base of my lash, and not my skin, but the actual lash. If I can zoom in here. Up close and personal, you guys. So I'm just going to close my eye so you can see, pressing it in the center. And then you can go either way. I like to start with the inner corner, because if that's down, it's down. And then going to the edge. And then just pinching the lashes all the way through. And I do kind of keep my eye open just a bit so that it doesn't glue my eye shut. And then right away, I go in and use my finger to lift. I'm just going to use my finger to kind of just lift it a bit, because you don't want to have that sleepy eye effect when you're applying lashes. So I just like to go in like that. And then what you can do to bond them together a little bit better is just go in with your mascara again and fuse your natural lashes with the actual falsie lashes. Okay, you guys, so this is how I apply lashes. Like I said, I don't use a lot of tools. Your hands are your tools. So that's what I do in order to apply my lashes.